guys, I'm Miko from BitPOS, and for today's video, I'm going to show you our standard package and how to do it setup. And now, as you can see here, our package includes Beelink Ultra Thin CPU, Barcode Scanner, X Printer, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and our Cashdrawer. This package is highly recommended for groceries and retail stores. And now, let's proceed on how to do the setup. So the first thing we need to set up is our CPU. This CPU comes with a power cord, so we just need to connect the power cord to the power port of the CPU. And now, we're going to use this USB hub for us to connect all of the USB cord of the hardwares to the CPU. And next, we're going to connect the HDMI of the monitor to the CPU and plug the power cord of the monitor to the outlet. And now we're going to connect the USB cord of the X printer to the CPU. And connect the power cord of the X printer to the outlet. And now we're going to connect our cashier drawer to the X printer. Now we're going to connect the USB cord of the keyboard and mouse to the CPU. And lastly, we're going to connect the USB cord of the barcode scanner to the CPU. And that's how we do our setup here in our standard package. If you have further questions or concerns, you can message us on our Facebook or call us on our company number. So that's it guys for this video, and watch out for my next ones where I will show you more setup to boost your business. Bye guys!